Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Bannerjee. It's काफ़ी interesting है that in spite of the rise in the Brent crude prices, currently close to 117, the dollar rupee is not showing much up move in the offshore. तो अगर offshore का rates देखें तो 75, 65, 63 के आसपास spot is trading, which will mean if the onshore opens there, a slight gap down. कल का price action and based on how the market is responding overseas, we suspect, because this cannot be confirmed, we suspect that it could be due to active intervention from the central bank, because the RBI from past data has shown that RBI tends to participate not just in the onshore market but also in the offshore market. Or between October and February, just before this conflict, जब FPI outflows was still persistently happening, तब to reduce its impact on dollar rupee, we have seen RBI data at least suggests that RBI have sold close to $8 to $10 billion in the spot, जिसके कारण in spite of the FPI outflows, dollar rupee did not go up. तो अगर उस टाइम में भी RBI ने डॉलर को सेल किया है to keep the volatility low, अभी situation is of panic, तो वहाँ पे it is natural that the intervention will only increase. And therefore we are not surprised, and RBI के पास enough ammunitions भी है, and जो rupee liquidity का situation उसके हिसाब से a very active intervention from the RBI is quite natural at this point in time. तो ये situation में how to trade the market. एक तरफ RBI का intervention है where they're trying to cap the volatility. दूसरी तरफ there is a natural upward move in dollar rupee because of the global economic, global geopolitical scenario and oil prices. तो ये इसमें the best way to trade remains through options rather than futures, क्योंकि futures में in that two-way volatility your stops will get hit. That probability is quite high. So you can use either out of money call options to buy, or what you can do कि you can buy a call spread using either weekly options like 11th of March, which is expiring next week, or you can also buy the end of March contract. Yes, the USDINR VIX is very high. That is natural because जब ये इतना uncertainty है तो VIX will rise because option sellers won't be aggressive to sell at a lower VIX. इसके लिए to avoid or to reduce the cost, because जब VIX increase होता है तो option premium also increases because both are interrelated. So वो situation पे to reduce the cost of premium, spread is the best option. For example, bullish side में call spread, bearish side में put spread. So it reduces your cost. Levels के हिसाब से 75, 50 or 75, these are the two important support levels on spot, which will roughly mean 75, 70 and 75, 20 as the major support levels on the March futures, क्योंकि March futures is close to 20 paisa premium to spot. Resistance 76, 10 के आसपास is what we are seeing the March futures getting stuck. So in case it is able to sustain above 76.10, then 76.50 becomes the next target on the futures. As I said, because our bias is upward, we would be looking to buy the dips in on dollar rupee, and our preferred mode will be either through call options or call spreads. On offshore, on the cross currencies, JPY INR will be extremely sensitive now, because अगर risk aversion increase होता है तो JPY INR will benefit. But in crosses, we would continue to suggest stick to intraday trade, क्योंकि large gap ups and erratic gap ups and gap downs are going to continue to happen. So keep that in mind. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.